Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Amazon tap. First, make sure your Amazon tap is fully charged. Next, download the Amazon Alexa app from your device's App Store. Open the app and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create a new account. Keep your mobile device connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network for a smooth setup process. Now, let's get your tap connected to Wi-Fi. Press and hold the Wi-Fi/Bluetooth button on the back of your Amazon tap for about 5 seconds. The light ring around the top will turn orange, signaling it's in setup mode. Open the Alexa app on your phone, tap the device's icon, then the plus sign, and choose Add Device. Select Amazon Tap from the list. The app will guide you through connecting your tap to your home Wi-Fi. It will scan for available networks. Select yours from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Once connected, the light ring on your tap will turn blue, then off, indicating it's ready. The Alexa app will also confirm that your Amazon tap is now online and ready for use. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your Amazon tap and your Wi-Fi router, then repeat the setup steps. Make sure your tap is within a good range of your Wi-Fi signal for optimal performance. You can always check the Alexa app for troubleshooting tips or to manage your device settings. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your Amazon tap.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.